Alright, got a midweek Publix haul here, and I did this because some new deals came out. It's $55.35 for the goods, had an overage of $3.64, so nothing big, just 4 good deals I'd like to share to you. This is January 25th is today. I did these on January 24th. Most of these deals will be good till January 30th, except for the one deal. So you got 3 good deals here to do this upcoming week all the way up to January 30th. So let me get right into it. Splenda Diabetic shakes. I did a little short on this. These are regularly $9.99. They're on sale for $7.49. So for 2 of them, we're $14.98. I wanted to get 3 of them. Unfortunately, you can't always get what you want. I still only had 2 of them. But so they're on sale for $7.49 each. So for 2 of them, it cost me $14.98. And from the Save 1-2, there's that $4 off manufacturer coupon. So I used 2 of those. And Ibotta has a limit of 3. So I want to get 3, but I got 2 of them. So you get $3 off on Ibotta times 2. So I had $6 off. So paying $14.98, had $8 off from the coupons because I had 2 of them. I had $6 back from Ibotta. I had paid only 98 cents for both of those. All right, next thing I had the Acuvue, and I did these, and this is the only deal you won't be able to do because this is going away in 2 days. This is the Acuvue, and they're BOGO. The regular price is $10.49, so for 2 of them it would be $20.98. But since they're BOGO, they're $10.49 for 2 of them. Print 2 of these manufacturer coupons. If they say they only take 1, you can also use this from, I believe, January 16th, Smart Source. So $10.48 for $10.49 for 2 of these, and use 2 coupons. That's 5 off and 5 off, so 10 off, making that only 49 cents. All right, and another new deal this week that I just saw were the Jergens lotion. $4.09 with tax came to $4.40, and there's a $1.50 manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source January 2nd. Also, Ibotta had $1 back, and coupons.com had $1.50 back, so making that only 40 cents. I was working up to this $5 off 30, so I reached 30 and I got $5 off. And finally, last one was I got this Nature's Bounty Evening Primrose oil. It's regularly $9.99, but it's on sale. It's on clearance. So I checked the clearance. I saw these for $4.49, and I saw that there is this coupon that just came out from the New Year savings book. And it is $3 off any, not many coupons in here, but there was a $3 off right there. It's a 10 coupon in there, manufacturer coupon. On the back, it just has some digital coupons, which kind of we already know about. And from the Save January 2nd, there's another $1 off. So paying $4.49, getting 3 off from the store coupon, and $1 off from the manufacturer from the Save 1-2, made that only 49 cents. When I had my $30, which I reached $30, I got an extra 5 off, making myself have a moneymaker of $3.64. So today's January 25th. You can do these all the way to January 30th, except for this deal. But these deals you can do because that expires on January 30th. And this one you can do longer. This deal as long as the stay on sale for $7.49, and it's available on Ibotta. This one's there's January 29th. Okay, that's the longest day. So you got 4 days to do these deals. So get right on them. And everybody subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I've already put this deal in there. I already did this deal in there, but these 2 are 2 new deals you can do all the way to January 30th, January 29th. And everybody enjoy their couponing this week. I'm going to try to post a video on the first day of the sale, and maybe a midweek video like this if some other deals pop up. All right, so everybody enjoy their week.